Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I got some stuff in. So we're gonna open this up together. I'll show you what I got. Let's do this. All right, I'm gonna open up the small package first. Ta-da! I got this stuff from Main Hobbies. We got a servo. Hobby Wing 1060 brushed ESC. They're the best. And I got this 21 turn Retro Sport 540 Holmes Hobbies. I'll give this a whirl, see how this works out. So that was in the little box. Now for the large box. Let's put this aside real quick. I'll put this over here. There's the big box. What is it, guys? It's a surprise. I think I need a new razor blade in this thing. It's dull. This tape's strong to use at Main. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Check it out. I got the Dune Master. Move this box here. Check out that. That's a cool buggy. It almost looks like my the old 2014 the Beetle, the Kyosho original one, the old metal one I have, the black one that I did up on the Scorpion chassis. This kind of looks like it, but a new version. Oh, oil-filled diffs, is that? Maybe that's option parts, I don't know. No. Oh yeah, it's got the nice sealed diffs. Got oil shocks. You can put lights on it. Let's open it up and take a quick peek. I think it looks cool as hell. When I seen this, I fell in love with it. Got your instructions. The little antenna. I got to use that because last time I didn't use it in my RC10. I got the glitches. It's a bunch of parts here. Says on the bag, always the best. Kyosho Corporation. Gear, side plate, spur gear. They give you the pinion gear in here. That's the gear cover. Look at them tires. Let's get a whiff of them. Take one out. Sticky. Lots of little spikes. They're nice. Let's see what else we got. Those wheels, they look cool. More plastic parts. These look like ball cups. Sweet. Foams for the tires. There's ball bearings in it. Gears. This looks like the gearbox. Pretty cool. I don't know what's in here. Looks like some kind of thick looking tacky grease might be in there. More stuff. Body posts. Looks like it has full ball bearings in it. I see them in there. Shock bag. Should look pretty nice. Threaded bodies. There's the body. I don't know what color I'm going to do on this one. There's the little driver figure. Looks kind of robot looking. Like an astronaut going on the moon. The chassis. Feels strong. I don't know what I'm going to do with the paint job. It's a bug, so it's got to be funky. That's all I know. When you take these out, you just never could get everything back in again. But yeah, this kit's awesome. Looks like a beauty. I seen it and I was like, man, you know me, I like the RC bugs. It's never gonna go back in place the way it was. But there it is, guys. I don't know if I'm in here. I'll try to scoot in. It's a beauty. Stay tuned to find out what I do with this one. You know I love my RC bugs. They're awesome. This looks great. That's just what I wanted to show you guys, what I got in. Hope you like it. I think it's cool. Let me know in the comments if you like this thing. I think it's an awesome buggy. I've seen a few videos on it. It's cool. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Steve here, RC. Later. Subscribe, do all the good stuff. Leave comments, helps the channel out. Bye.